Today, guys, we're gonna experiment. Wait, where's my shoe? Can I have my shoe, guys? Kuya?
Yeah?
Where's my shoe? I'm using this now. I guess I'm using this na lang. I don't even know where's my shoe. I'm getting it.
Just use that.
Okay, fine. Okay, come on, burn a paper. Bro, burn it now. Burn it with fire. Real fire, okay? Okay? Okay?
Don't
Please.
be noisy.
Flint and steel, bro. Burn, paper. Burn. Burn, paper. Burn. Oh my god, it's turning black.
It's
Into ashes. Yeah, I know it's turning into ashes. Hey, bro. Bro. Can you turn the whole thing into ashes without breaking it, maybe? Or it can be with breaking it?
That's dangerous, bro.
Okay.
Look, I can build a tattoo with this. Look.
What? Stop doing that now. Bro, are you gonna... Bro, that is gonna get mad if you do that.
Yeah, I moved.
Okay, good. Other experiments? Okay, guys, we're gonna buy Coke and Mentos. Okay? Guys?
Pause it first.
Okay, doggy. You're so cute. Are you sick? Are you sleepy? Rocky, are you sleepy? Rocky? You look so cute. Aww. Come on. Come on here. You wanna? Oh. Oh, you mariachi.
Stay here.
Fine. Okay, we will 8 minutes later. Come on. Bro, wait for me. My socks will get off if you do. If you didn't wait for me, my socks will get off. 8 minutes later. 100 minutes later until the Coke.
May Mentos po kayo.